Lily! Lily, can you hear me? Please answer!
Tom, where exactly is your sister right now? Lily, please pick up, please, where are you? Lily, where did you go? Please, Lily!
My daughter is missing. She's 7, in yellow.
We'll search every section. Attention, please. We're looking for a missing child.
All volunteers, please report to the staging area now.
Please, we'll take any help we can get. It's getting dark, Ben. Where could she possibly be?
I saw a little girl walk that way, actually.
Morning, everyone! Who's ready for the beach today?
Me! Me! I want to build a huge castle.
Sandwiches, crisps, and your favorite biscuits are all packed. Lily, if you ever get lost, stay in one place.
Wait, hold on. I'm nearly at the final level. Turn that off, love. We're leaving in 10 minutes. Tom, please help your sister carry the beach toys. 1 second, Mom. I'm right in the middle.
Phone down, son. We're a family today, remember?
Tom, will you build sandcastles with me later?
Sure. Maybe later, okay? Just give me a minute.
One day you'll wish you'd looked up sooner, Tom.
Just one more game, Dad, I promise, really.
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
You have the loudest, happiest voice, Lily Watson.
Look at those hills, Lily. Aren't they absolutely huge?
Almost done with this level, just a bit more. We're nearly there now, everyone. Look at that sea.
It's even bigger than I remembered from last year.
Right here looks perfect. Close.
Tom, come see the dolphins jumping out there.
In a minute, Lily. I'm right at the boss. Sun cream first, then you can all run wild.
This is gonna be the tallest tower ever.
Who wants to play volleyball with your old dad? Nice catch, Lily!
Nearly beat my record. Just need 30 more seconds. Tom, don't you want to join in at all?
Can I get an ice cream from that van?
Tom, watch your sister while she gets ice cream.
Yeah, fine. Go ahead, I'm watching, promise. New message. Hang on, just checking this quickly. Just a few more seconds. This is important, honestly.
I'll just go by myself then.
Ben, have you seen where Lily's got to?
She went for ice cream with Tom, remember?
Tom, where exactly is your sister right now? She was just here a second ago! Lily, please pick up, please, where are you? It's just going straight to a voicemail, Mom.
We need to search every direction right now!
She wouldn't wander off, not without telling someone.
Please, our daughter is missing. She's only 7. Lily! Lily, where are you?
That yellow shirt, is that her, Ben?
Lily! Wait, sweetheart! We're coming right now!
I'm so sorry. We thought you were someone else. It's all right. I hope you find her quickly. It wasn't her. It wasn't Lily at all. I should have watched her. This is my fault.
All volunteers, please report to the staging area now.
We'll organize search teams along both directions immediately.
We'll check every changing room and beach hut.
Attention, please. We're looking for a missing child.
Check the car park exits. She might have wandered there.
It's getting dark, Ben. Where could she possibly be?
You've lost someone. I might be able to help.
Who even are you? Why should we trust you?
We appreciate it, but we don't really know you.
I've driven this coastline for 31 years, sir.
Please, we'll take any help we can get.
Wait, Lily borrowed my phone earlier this morning, actually. She took a photo of us at breakfast. Her location history is still saved on here.
When exactly did she have your phone, Tom?
It shows a playground 3 streets from here.
Get in the taxi. I know that street well.
Can we go any faster, Harry? Please, hurry!
Is she out in this rain right now?
The dot just moved. She's still moving somewhere. Please be okay, Lily. Please just be okay.
Nearly there now. Hold on tight, everyone, please.
This is it, the exact spot on the map.
There's no one here, Ben. The playground's completely...
The dot says she's right here, I swear.
There's a security camera mounted on that lamppost. I saw a little girl walk that way, actually.
Thank you, we need to go right now.
She walked in soaked through, poor little thing. She's been so brave, waiting here so calmly.
Dad said stay in one place if lost. I think that's my dad's voice outside.
Go on then, love. I think you're right.
There, that corner shop. The lights are on.
Mom! Dad! I'm right here. I'm okay.
You're safe. You're actually truly safe, my darling.
I was so scared, sweetheart, so incredibly scared.
I'm sorry, Lily. I should have watched you.
We're okay now, Tom.
I'm deleting every single game off this phone. No more distractions, not ever. Come on, let's build that castle you wanted.
Look at those two. Thick as thieves again.
Everyone makes mistakes. A good person learns from them.
We're all together, that's honestly all that matters.
Mine has 3 towers. That means I win!
Watch this, Lily. I can make it loop.
Last one to the ball buys the ice creams!
Come sit, everyone. The sandwiches won't eat themselves.
You didn't check your phone even once today.
Everyone squeeze in close, the timer's about to go!
This can wait. This moment matters so much more.
really glad you found me, Tom.
Family memories matter more than any screen ever could. If you loved this story, please subscribe and comment below.
We truly read every single comment you leave us.